My name is Audrey Awasom. I was a marketing major and technology entrepreneurship minor at the University of Maryland, and I actually just recently graduated in May of 2018. I created Noble Uprising because I saw a need in my community. There was an increased population of homeless individuals, and I was like, what can I do to help? And so Noble Uprising was created in order to provide opportunities to homeless women in our community and provide them with substantial resources to improve their lives. One of the hardest parts of being an entrepreneur that I had to learn is that sometimes you don't have control over everything. And so learning how to pivot and learning how to deal with certain circumstances has been helpful to me moving forward. I always tell everyone I started doing that work and I was doing that more than I was doing my homework. And that's how I knew I want to do this for the rest of my life.